How to get free earning money. Join now and get easy money. It's the most powerful PTC website that you have ever seen. Huge potential on offer wall earnings and advertisements. Free URL short link service, PTP leaderboards, offer wall contest, and more. Pay per click. You can earn money every time you visit special ads created for you. All you have to do is watch the ad and then answer the security question. Low minimum payments. With a low payment limit, you can withdraw your balance in your account without a long time. Get the advantages of low commission and low payment limit. Benefits of the member. Earn up to $0.015 per click, 4 to 6 fixed advertisements. Payments via PayPal, Payza, EgoPay, and Perfect Money. Benefits of the advertiser. Add your rotation plan instantly. Thousands of potential clients and more. Easy earnings for you. 1 cent per click. Bonus benefits. We offer a different service with many monetization methods. Low payment limit, offer walls, do missions, earn money. And many methods are with you. Sign up and review now. How can I earn money? Create account and create a free membership. Log in the account. Sign in and follow the earning stages. Enjoy payments. You can earn monies by following the earning steps. Supported payment gateways. The payment methods are in this section. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Payer, and PayPal, which method you comfort, then select and enjoy. Now create a free account. Just enter your name and username, then create your password. This simply to join this sites and very less time to join here. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for individuals to earn money online. From the comfort of your own home, you can engage in various activities such as pay-to-click PTC ads. Mini jobs and online surveys to supplement your income or even create a full-fledged online earning stream. In this article, we will delve into the world of these online earning avenues, exploring their potential benefits. Email verification. You can check your email which you provide and click the link to active your account. Engaging in online earning activities like pay-to-click ads, mini jobs, and online surveys can provide a supplemental income stream or a way to earn from the comfort of your home. While these methods have their pros and cons, they offer a way for individuals to monetize their time and skills. As with any online venture, it's essential to approach these opportunities with a discerning eye. Focusing on reputable platforms and being cautious of potential scams. Remember that patience, consistency, and a proactive approach are key to maximizing your online earning potential in these avenues. Ads are a straightforward way to make money online. These platforms offer users a chance to earn money by viewing advertisements for a predetermined duration. Generally, PTC sites work in partnership with advertisers who are looking to increase their online visibility. Users are paid a small amount for each ad they click on and view. While the concept sounds simple, there are a few key points to consider. Many jobs involve completing small online tasks in exchange for payment. These tasks can range from data entry and categorization to image recognition and content moderation. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Microworkers offer a platform for users to complete these micro tasks. No special skills required. PTC ads don't demand any specific skills or expertise. PTC ads require minimal effort. All you need to do is click and view. Making money online through ads is a popular avenue for generating income. Websites and platforms offer opportunities for individuals to display ads on their content, earning revenue based on user interactions. When visitors click on the displayed ads, driving traffic to the advertiser's website. Each click contributes to your earnings, making this model suitable for engaging content that attracts clicks. Online surveys, sharing your opinions for rewards. Online surveys involve providing your opinions and feedback on various topics, products, or services. Market research companies collaborate with brands to gather consumer insights. Participants are rewarded with cash, gift cards, or other incentives for their time and input. To succeed in ad earnings, focus on creating quality content that attracts and retains visitors. Optimize ad placements for visibility without overwhelming the user experience. Ad earnings can vary widely based on factors like niche, audience size, and engagement. While it's a viable online income source, diversifying revenue streams can provide stability in the dynamic world of online ads. Making money online has become a realistic and accessible option for many individuals. The internet offers a wide range of opportunities to generate income, whether you're looking to supplement your existing earning or create a full-time online career. While the possibilities for making money online are diverse and exciting, it's essential to approach them with realistic expectations and a willingness to invest time and effort. Payout withdrawal methods refer to the ways in which can access and transfer their earned funds from online platforms to their personal accounts. These methods vary depending on the platform and may include options such as PayPal, bank transfers. Cryptocurrency wallets, virtual payment systems, and checks. Users typically select a preferred payout method that aligns with their financial preferences and region. It's important to review the fees, processing times. Engaging in online earning activities like pay-to-click ads, mini jobs, and online surveys can provide a supplemental income stream or a way to earn from the comfort of your home. While these methods have their pros and cons, they offer a way for individuals to monetize their time and skills. As with any online venture, it's essential to approach these opportunities with a discerning eye.